In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a Xero invoice template. Navigating the complexity of accounting software can be daunting, but editing an invoice template in Xero is straightforward if you follow these steps. Whether you wish to refresh the look of your invoices, update payment terms, or simply need to adjust the information displayed, this guide is designed to walk you through the process with ease. Let's get started. The journey to customizing your Xero invoice template begins, unsurprisingly, at Xero's doorstep. Open your preferred web browser and head to Xero's website. Upon arrival at the landing page, you'll notice a login button located on the top right corner. Give that button a click. This action beckons a new page where you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. Here, type in your registered email and password. With your identity credentials entered, proceed to log in by clicking the Login button. Once you've successfully authenticated, you'll find yourself at the heartbeat of your Xero experience, the dashboard of your organization. If you're managing multiple organizations, ensure you're navigating within the correct one. Xero's design is intuitive, guiding its users with clarity and coherence. From here, your next destination is the Settings menu. Navigating to Settings is a breeze. The option is located within easy reach from your dashboard. Click on Settings, and a new set of choices will unravel before you. Among these, your target is the Invoice Settings option. Clicking on Invoice Settings transports you to the realm where all invoice template magic happens. You're now at a pivotal point. Within the Invoice Settings, you'll see various options related to your invoicing needs, including themes, email settings, and payment services, among others. However, your focus should be on the Options button adjacent to the invoice template you wish to edit. A click on this will reveal a drop-down menu providing you with the ability to edit your chosen template. Select Edit and you're in. You've made it to the editing interface, a space where creativity meets practicality. Here, Xero allows you to do the necessary changes to your invoice template. Whether it's adjusting the layout, changing text formats, or updating payment details, the editor provides a flexible yet structured environment to ensure your invoices reflect the professionalism of your business. Take your time to explore the various customization options available. Remember, the aim is to create an invoice that not only looks good but also communicates clearly with your clients. Once you're satisfied with the edits, it's crucial not to leave your hard work in digital limbo. Navigate to the Save button. This is your assurance, your handshake with Xero, sealing the changes you've made. Click on Save, and your template will be updated, ready to represent your business in its newly polished format. And there you have it, a straightforward path to editing an invoice template in Xero. Customizing your invoices is more than just a cosmetic exercise. It's about clarity, communication, and professionalism. With your new template ready, your invoices will not just be requests for payment, but reflections of your business's identity and attention to detail. Remember, the key to a smooth experience in Xero, or any software for that matter, lies in taking the time to familiarize yourself with its environment and options. Don't hesitate to explore beyond the invoice templates. Xero offers a wide array of features designed to enhance your accounting processes, from automating recurring invoices to integrating with third-party apps for an even more streamlined workflow. Thank you for joining me in today's video. I hope you found these instructions helpful and feel more confident in customizing your Xero invoice templates. Whether you're fine-tuning for aesthetic appeal or practical necessity, remember that your invoices are often direct lines of communication with your clients. Making them clear, informative, and professional can significantly impact how your business is perceived. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out. Happy invoicing!